The thing that people always say to me is, I just need a really good idea. And you know what? You're wrong. You don't need a good idea. What you need to be successful in business on Amazon or in business generally is Good morning. It's a beautiful day down here in Australia today, and I wanted to make a very quick video for you about a very simple idea. I've just been out on the beach walking, and I was thinking, one of the things I hear so often, regardless of whether it's on Amazon or in business generally, because I tend to talk to a lot of people about entrepreneurship, the thing that people always say to me is, I just need a really good idea. And you know what? You're wrong. You don't need a good idea. What you need to be successful in business on Amazon or in business generally is a market. It's not the idea that's going to make you successful. On Amazon, for example, I sell 9 products that were invented literally thousands of years ago. I didn't think of one of them, right? What I did was I found a market. I slightly tweaked my product. The first product I made, really what I did was made amazing packaging to improve the overall perception of the product. But the product itself had been around for thousands of years. I'm just going to bring on the screen. It's now about the 20th, I think 21st of the month. And you can see here, this is the sales from just that one product so far this month in US dollars. So that's about 9,000 Australian dollars, about 6 and a bit thousand US dollars, and we still have a week to go. It'll probably close at about $8,000 US for the month, or about I think that's about 13 or 14 Australian dollars at a 40% margin. So think about that, right? One product that I didn't invent, that has been around for thousands of years, that all I did was it made sure there was an established market. Over the weekend, I got an email from one of my students in the US. She's a young lady, 28 years old, started selling a product she didn't invent either. It was already sold nationally across the US. In fact, it's sold all over the world. She took that product, she tweaked it, packaged it slightly different. She didn't make it, she didn't think of it. She just packaged it differently and got better photography and so on. She emailed me over the weekend, 28 years old, now netting over 200,000 Australian dollars a year, because she's an Australian girl, but she lives in the US. She's doing 410 US dollars a day in sales off a single product that she did not invent. So she didn't have a great idea, she had a great market. And that is what you need if you want to be successful in business. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you've got something out of that, and stop trying to think of a great idea and start to find markets. All right, have a good day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.